PlaywrightCapture?
Take screenshots and capture HTML pages.
What is Playwright?
PlaywrightCapture is a Python package that allows users to take screenshots and capture HTML pages with the help of Playwright. The package is simple to use and can also be used to bypass reCAPTCHA for websites that require it.
What are its main features?
Main points and features: easy installation with pip. Can take screenshots and capture full HTML pages with Playwright. Captures all cookies of session and URL at the end of capture. Can bypass reCAPTCHA protected websites. Includes requests, PyDub and speech recognition to work with reCAPTCHA bypass. Requires FFmpeg or libav for PyDub to work. Uses Google Speech Recognition API for converting audio to text. Suitable for web scraping and automation tasks.
How do we install it?
To install PlaywrightCapture, simply run the following command in your terminal.
Please show us a simple usage example.
Sure. Once PlaywrightCapture is installed, you can easily take screenshots and capture HTML pages using the following code. The variable entries is a dictionary that will contain the HAR, screenshot, cookies, URL, and full HTML page as rendered.
What about reCAPTCHA? Can we bypass it?
Yeah. To use the reCAPTCHA bypass feature, run the following command to install the necessary dependencies. This will install requests, PyDub, and speech recognition. Note that PyDub requires FFmpeg or libav to work, and the installation guide should be consulted for more details. The Google Speech Recognition API is used to convert audio to text.
Where can we access this package?
Here is the URL to PlaywrightCapture on PyPI, https://pypi.org/project/PlaywrightCapture.
Thanks for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.